Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, so today I am going to start exercise 2 from sum number 8.1. For the previous sum, please check the description box, the link will be there. Okay, and if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are new viewer. So here in sum number 8.1, simplify 49 into z to the power minus 3 and here 7 to the power minus 3 into 10 into z to the power minus 5. Now 49 means 7 square. And here z to the power minus 3 by z to the power minus 5. So here you can apply that formula x to the power a by x to the power b, that equal to x to the power a minus b. That is the formula of the exponent. Okay, so here z to the power minus 3, it will be minus with minus 5. Here 7 to the power minus 3 into 10. So now same formula, 7 square by 7 to the power minus 3, so that will be 7 to the power 2 minus minus 3 into, and here z to the power minus 3 is minus minus plus, so plus 5. So it's divided by 10, that equal to 7 to the power 2 plus 3 into z square by 10. So the final answer here 7 to the power 5 into z square by 10. Now next one, sum number 2. 9 to the power 3 into 27 into t to the power 4. Here 3 square into 3 to the power 4 into t square. So first here 9 means 3 square. Okay, 9 means 3 square. So instead of 9, write down 3 square whole to the power 3. 27 means 3 to the power 3. And here t to the power 4 by t square, that is t to the power 4 minus 2. So in denominator 3 square into 3 to the power 4. So the upper one, here 3 into 2 6, so 3 to the power 6, and here 3 to the power 3. So here you can apply that formula, x to the power a into x to the power b, that is x to the power a plus b. So here 3 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3, that equal to 3 to the power 6 plus 3. And here t to the power 2, and here also 3 to the power 2 plus 4, that becomes 6. Now here 3 to the power 9 divided by 3 to the power 6, so that will be 3 to the power 3. You can also 9 minus 6, that equal to also 3 into t square. So 3 to the power 3 into t square, that means 27 t square. The next one, sum number 3. 3 to the power minus 2 whole square into 5 square whole to the power minus 3 into t to the power minus 3 whole square, divided by 3 to the power minus 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 3 and into t to the power minus 4 whole to the power 3. So here 3 to the power minus 2 into 2 is 3 to the power minus 4. Here 3 to the power minus 2 into 5, it's 3 to the power minus 10. 5 to the power 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 5 to the power 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 3 to the power minus 3 into 2 minus 6. T to the power minus 4 into 3, t to the power minus 12. So 5 to the power minus 6 will be cancelled out with 5 to the power minus 6, and here 3 to the power minus 4 plus 10, as minus minus it's become plus, so directly minus 4 plus 10. Here also minus 6 minus into minus and plus, so minus 6 plus 12, that means 3 to the power 6 into t to the power 6. Now sum number 4. 2 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 500. Here 5 to the power minus 6 into 6 to the power minus 5. So 2 to the power minus 5 and 15 means 5 into 3. Okay, so that becomes 5 to the power minus 5 as well as 3 to the power minus 5. Here 500 means 5 into 100. Now 5 means 5 and 100 means 10 square. Here 5 to the power minus 6 and 6 means 2 into 3. That means 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, so now 2 to the power minus 5 will cancel out this one. 3 to the power minus 5 will be cancelled out with this one. And here 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power 1, that means 5 to the power minus 5 plus 1. Okay, x to the power a plus b formula. Here 10 square. Now 10 means 5 into 2. 10 means 5 into 2. So that means 5 square and 2 square separately. And here 5 to the power minus 6. So finally 5 to the power minus 4 into 5 square into 2 square and 5 to the power minus 6. So it will be minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2, and that equal to minus 2, and then here minus 6. So that will be plus 6 as x to the power a minus b formula. 5 to the power minus 4 into 5 to the power 2, that becomes 5 to the power minus 2. Now 5 to the power minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 6, it becomes 5 to the power minus 2 plus 6. And here also 2 to the power 4. So 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2, that equal to 2500. So 2500 is the answer. Sum number 9. By what number should 3 by minus 2 whole to the power minus 3 is divided to get 2 by 3 whole square? So here the answer, that means the required number equal to, you have to subtract this number by this one. So here 3 by minus 2 whole to the power minus 3 divided by 2 by 3 whole square. So that will be, as here minus 3, so if you convert this minus into plus, so it will be minus 2 by 3. That means the reciprocal of this fraction. So minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. And as here division, so if you multiply this one, then it will be changed again. So here 3 by 2 whole square. Then here minus 2 to the power 3, and here 3 to the power 3, here 3 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2. So that means minus 2, minus will be here, and 2 to the power 3 minus 2. And here 3 square 3 cube, that means 2 to the power 2 minus 3. So here minus 2 whole to the power 1, and here 3 to the power minus 1. Now 3 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 3. That means 2 by 3, and here also minus. So that is the answer. Sum number 10. In sum number 10, find the value of m for which 9 to the power m divide 3 to the power minus 2, that equal to 9 to the power 4. So 9 to the power m divide, and here 3 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 3 square. 3 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 3 square, that equal to 9 to the power 4. Now 1 by 3 square means 1 by 9. 1 by 3 square means 1 by 9. So here 9 to the power m equal to 9 to the power 4 into 1 by 9. As here division, so that will be in multiplication. So 9 to the power m equal to 9 to the power 4 minus 1, that means 9 to the power 3. So here m equal to, by comparing both sides, as here 9 to the power m and here 9 to the power 3, the base will be same, so the power will be also same. So here m equal to 3. Sum number 11. If minus 5 by 7 whole to the power minus 4 into minus 5 by 7 whole to the power 12 equal to minus 5 by 7 whole to the power 3 again whole to the power x into minus 5 by 7 whole to the power minus 1, then you have to find the value of that x. So as here minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7, that means both the base will be same, so power will be added as here multiplication. And same as here minus 5 by 7, that means 3 into x, so 3 into x minus 1, it's also added, that means 3x minus 1. So in the left hand side you have minus 5 by 7 whole to the power 8, right hand side you have minus 5 by 7 3x minus 1. So by comparing both sides, if these two base will be same, that means the power will be also same. So that means 3x minus 1 equal to 8, so 3x equal to 9, 8 plus 1, and x equal to 3, that 9 divided by 3. Next one, sum number 2. Find x if minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 13 into 3 by minus 2 whole to the power 8, that equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 2x plus 1. So as here minus 2 by 3, no problem, but here 3 by minus 2. So just change this number into reciprocal form, so it will be minus 2 by 3, and then this positive power will be in negative. Okay, so that means minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 8. Now both the base will be same, so power will be added, so minus 13 plus minus 8, that will be minus 8. Here also minus 2 by 3 minus 2x plus 1. Now by comparing both sides, you will get this equation, and by solving this equation you can easily find out the value of x, that equal to 11. Sum number 13 1. If 5 to the power 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by 1 to 5 whole to the power x minus 3, then find the value of x. Okay, so same here 5 to the power 2x minus 1, as here 1 by 125, that means 125, the power will be in negative. Okay, that means if you multiply this one with negative, that is minus, so minus x plus 3, that's why written here 3 minus x. Okay, as you know that x to the power minus 1, that equal to 1 by x, that means 1 by x equal to x to the power minus 1. So here 1 by 125, that means 125 whole to the power minus into this power, so that will be 3 minus x. Now next, you know that 125 means 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 3 and 3 again multiply with that power, so it will be 9 minus 3x. Now by comparing both sides, 2x minus 1 equal to 9 minus 3x, and from that x equal to 2. Now the last problem, 13.2. So if you like my video, please share this video, and one by one I will upload all the chapters from the book of ML Agarwal. So please stay with us and please stay home and stay safe. So here in sum number 13.2, 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 5 into 27 to the power cube by 3 into 81 to the power 4, that equal to 27. So here you have to find out that value of n. So first you have to change all the numbers with base 3. So 9 means 3 square, that means 3 to the power 2n. Here 3 to the power 5, 27. 27 means 3 to the power 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 3 to the power 9. Here 3, 81. 81 means 3 to the power 4. So 4 into 4 it's 16. And here 27, 3 to the power 3. So finally, as here all the base will be same, so power will be added, that means 2n plus 5 plus 9. And as here 1, so and it's divide, so that means 16 plus 1 will be subtracted from that power. So first you have to add this power, then subtract 1 plus 16 as they are in division form. Here also 3 to the power 3. So then 2n, 9 plus 5, 14 and minus 17. So 2n minus 3 equal to 3 to the power 3. Now by comparing both sides, 2n minus 3 equal to 3. So n equal to 3. Okay, thank you so much.